90% of Forex traders lose money. And the scary part is, you might be doing the exact same things they're doing right now. In this video, I'll show you why most traders fail and how you can escape that trap. Build connection. If you've ever blown an account, overtraded, or felt like the market is against you, you're not alone. I've been there too. But the truth is, losing in trading is not bad luck. It's bad habits. Point 1. No trading plan. Most traders enter the market without a clear plan. They just see a setup and jump in. Professional traders? They already know where they'll enter, where they'll exit, how much they're risking. No plan, gambling. Simple. Point 2. Poor risk management. This is where most accounts die. If you're risking 20%, 30%, even 50% on one trade, you're not trading, you're betting. Real traders risk 1 to 2% per trade. That's how they survive long term. Point 3. Emotional trading. Fear and greed will destroy you faster than any bad strategy. Revenge trading after a loss. Closing trades too early. Holding losers too long. This is not a strategy problem, it's a mindset problem. Point 4. No consistency routine. You can't trade randomly and expect consistent results. Top traders follow a routine. They analyze the market at specific times. They journal their trades. They review their mistakes. That's what separates amateurs from professionals. Solution: value drop. If you want to be in the 10%, focus on this. Build a simple trading plan. Risk small always. Master your emotions. Stay consistent. It's not about making quick money. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. Call to action. If you're serious about becoming a profitable trader, start working on your routine today. And if you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm part of the 10%. I want to see who's serious.